do almost
a tale of two climates, you might say. It's still winter in the north of the country, and for a while it looks as if spring's coming back to the south as this particular weather front here rushes across southern parts. But in the north we're going to have a battle zone keeping those cold winds, and it could well be that some of those northern areas in the next few days have a fair bit of snow, more particularly over the hills, but not necessarily exclusively so. In fact, even today there have been some pretty beefy showers running in across Scotland, heavy ones there, and they've given a fair bit of snow too, and those showers are still around, and we're finding one or two showers near western coast elsewhere, as you see here. But more importantly, there's this large area of cloud developing out to the southwest of us, and that's going to be coming along later on today. But to begin with, some advice on those squally snow showers that could well cause some problems in the north, especially over the hills during the rest of the afternoon. And it's a pretty wintry scene in those northern areas. Some of the showers are quite heavy too. One or two showers filtering through to eastern parts of the country, but generally speaking, the showers in the more southern areas will tend to get lighter and more scattered as time goes on. That is because a veil of cloud will be spilling up from the southwest. Fairly chilly breeze, in fact particularly cold in Scotland, where temperatures over the Highlands at least will remain below freezing. During this evening tonight, those snow showers continue in the north, more particularly the northeast of Scotland, and further south we're going to have rain moving up during the course of the evening. Overnight tonight it's going to turn out to be wet across Northern Ireland, most of England and Wales, and as that rain heads up towards northern parts of England it may well turn to snow, certainly over the hills and perhaps even at some lower levels as well. A cold night to come in Scotland, a widespread frost there, a chilly start further south, but temperatures picking up later on, and at the same time it's going to become quite windy. And then, as I said at the beginning, there is a chance of a fair bit of snow in northern parts of Britain during the course of the next 2 or 3 days, right the way through tomorrow in the southern uplands, for instance, and that snow easing further northwards up into central parts of Scotland during the day, holding fire around about that area into Saturday. The more southern parts, they're staying fine, and